All right, today I'm going to show you a trick with peanut butter that is natural. All right, so you have natural peanut butter. I'll show you a trick on how to get it from having all the oil at top. It's really a big problem whenever I buy peanut butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the seal. And what you're going to see is you're going to see a lot of oil sitting on the top. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to prevent that from happening. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this back, see if I can get into this. All right, so I peeled it back, and you see this big clunk of oil sitting at the top. Now, that happens naturally when you're dealing with natural peanut butter that doesn't have, that's not hydrogenized. I believe that's not how you say it, but it's close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spoon or a knife, and you see how the oil is sitting at the top. I'm just going to stir it. Now you want to stir this while this is room temperature. Okay, so you're gonna stir it, and you want to get down at the bottom to make sure you get the thick peanut butter that is settled down at the bottom. So you're going to do that, and you're going to spin it a few times to get that thick peanut butter up, and to get the oil that's been floating on the top down in there and mixed in with the peanut butter. All right, so it's going to take about like maybe 10 turns or so to get that thick peanut butter. Make sure you get the corners too, because what you'll notice is once you get down to the bottom, the end of the peanut butter, it's going to be a little bit harder and clunkier at the bottom. Now, if you do this, you won't have to deal with the big chunks at the bottom when you get done. So now it looks like it's stirred up quite a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull out the knife, stir it up a little bit more, just like this. Pull out the knife, make sure you get all the peanut butter, make sure it stays inside of the jar. Once you do this, you're going to put the top on. You're going to put the top back onto the peanut butter. And when you're going to store it, what you're going to do is you're going to store it in the refrigerator. All right, I'm going to take it. You're going to store it in the refrigerator, but when you store it, make sure the top is on secure, and you're going to put it upside down. That way, so I just had this in the refrigerator overnight to let, after I've mixed this up, and now let's take a look at what it is. So I'm going to flip it back upside down, right side up, and then I'm going to open up the top and look at it. All right, so nice, creamy texture right here, perfectly mixed. And I'm just going to keep on. You can actually, if you want to, keep it in the refrigerator with it right side up if you want to. But I, however, like it to keep it mixed. So what I do, I'm going to go ahead and taste this really quick. It looks too good for me to just do the video itself without, having some sort of taste. Really good. Just going to go ahead and return this. And put this back. And you can store it like this in the refrigerator without it really messing up or unmixing or settling like that. But however, I enjoy putting the top back on and then storing it upside down inside of the refrigerator with natural peanut butter. I hope this was helpful. I hope you find this tool very helpful and implement it yourself. Thanks a lot for watching.